Hey everyone, I'm here with my £10 wig that I bought from Shen at a bargain price. And to prove that you don't need to spend a fortune just to have a lovely wig. I've currently washed this, as you can tell. It's going to be on the fluffy side down here. So what we're going to do is we're going to test and see how well this straightens. And I've actually done a bit just to make sure it did come out, which you can see here. That's actually straightened really nicely. It's got rid of the fuzzy bits at the end. So I'm going to straighten one in front of you. Oh, don't worry, I won't be doing the whole hair in front of you because I think that will be a bit much for somebody to sit watching me straighten hair. We can all do that. So this is just to prove that a £10 wig is just as lovely. You can, obviously, it's just revitalising your wig, getting rid of all the little fluffy bits at the end. It's normally done through pulling with the brush. I'm not a hair expert. I'm not very good, I'll admit, at styling my wig. I do the best I can, and this is just what I've learnt on the way. So we're going to give this another go. Just bear with me. Right, here we go. There we are. Right, I'm using a normal set of GHDs, nothing special. Apart from their apart from their green. So it's going to take this down. Hopefully my arm's not blocking the view too much. And again, I'm having no problems with this. This is absolutely straightened gorgeously. Really impressed with this, especially for the price. I wear mine daily, but I also change them regular, so I don't have them permanently attached to my head. I couldn't cope with it being on there longer than a day. Plus I also like to change my hair with my mood. So there we are. Look at that. That I am very happy with, to be honest. For 10 quid, I'm really not upset with that. I'm going to carry on straightening the rest of the hair. What I do use actually after I've straightened my hair, what I tend to use is I have a lovely wig spray. This is Control Wig Spray 3-in-1. I bought this off Amazon. You can buy them in a pack of 2. I find it's brilliant. It does keep the hair lovely and soft. Do not need loads of it. Just a nice little spray on the ends. And then just literally massage it into the hair. I tend to use a towel comb just to pull out and make sure I haven't missed any knots or anything like that, or any hair where the hair is catching. But again, for a £10 wig, I am very happy. Thank you, Shen. I really enjoyed that. I'm going to carry on with this little fluffy bit here. And I will have some photos uploaded on my webpage regarding on how it came out. And personally, I think this is just going to turn out exactly how I bought it. So I'm really not disappointed. And again, good bargain. Thanks, guys. This was just a short one. I'll catch you later. Bye.